can't have courage without being scared.
$384,000 on the line with your wife and kids here to watch. And it all comes down to this explosion.
Oh, man.
Are you nervous?
Yes, I'm extremely nervous.
Okay. Any last words?
Let's do it.
3, 2, 1, drop the bomb! Everything's on fire!
Let's go! There's so much fire!
Fire, the bomb just went off! Be careful!
No!
Oh, whoa, that is burning!
Go, Byron, go! It's under the boat, it's under the boat, it's under the boat!
Ricochet! Oh, there's still more! That is the fridge he put his money inside of.
All right, slowly bring her down!
Moment of truth.